So I've had this ultrasonic cleaner for years now, but I came across recently someone putting aluminium foil into it, so I thought I'd give it a try. It's just a plain piece of kitchen foil. So if I turn it on, it should demonstrate the surface is becoming kind of mottled. Just hold it with this chopstick. I see some quite big sort of pits on it, as if it's been fired out with sandblaster or something. So these things work by cavitation, basically. They get shockwaves travelling through the water, which generate a vacuum locally, and it's that aggressive shockwave as the cavitation pockets close that generates the pulses that dislodge dirt and whatever from the surface. With a piece of foil, it is actually able to sort of visibly affect the surface. I've never actually tried this before. You can actually see the bubbles occasionally. I haven't actually degassed this properly, it's just plain tap water. The machine does have a degassing setting where it pulses rather than a continuous wave. So you can get most of the air out of the water before you start trying to use it to clean parts. You can see the air bubbles, at least I can. There's still quite a lot of air in this water, but eventually it would be driven off. So that is better from the point of view of the operation of the ultrasonic waves. So I'll stop it now. I don't know how many seconds that's been. It's only a minute at the most. So that's turned off. If I take this out, and yeah, I mean it's actually created holes in the foil. You know, with the foil against this light, you can clearly see all the holes. Some quite small. This is down to individual cavitation events, and elsewhere it's burnt right through. So I suppose the interesting question is where that material has actually gone. There's no sign of any obvious chunks in here. Maybe there are a few. So it must have gone somewhere. But yeah, interesting. So this evidently demonstrates the sort of power of ultrasonic cleaning. So you can put your finger in, as I was doing before, with no issues. But at a microscopic scale, I guess it's actually creating quite serious shock waves on the surface of a part. So I've had this ultrasonic cleaner for many years now. It's a Cousins S15H. I say it's at least 10 years old, 15 years old. I can't remember the capacity, but it's going to be about a litre. The fill level is on this ridge here. But it fits a carburetor will fit in it, or at least a motorcycle carburetor, generally speaking. It's only in pieces. So it's been quite useful over the years. Thanks for watching.